outdoor living masterpiece, you won't believe this design exists. What if your dream patio wasn't just beautiful, but a surreal blend of modern architecture and tropical serenity, so realistic, it blurs the line between nature and design? Let me take you there. Patio tour and main lounge. We start with a jaw-dropping outdoor living area, spacious, warm, and impossibly detailed. A white sofa with bold black and white pillows anchors the space, while warm sunlight dances across dark gray stone flooring. Seamless indoor-outdoor flow. A key feature of this home is its seamless connection between inside and out. Sliding glass doors disappear into dark stone walls, inviting the garden into the interior. Garden and poolside vibes. To the side, a striking gray stone wall borders a luxurious pool, surrounded by textured pavers and rich green landscaping. It's not just a backyard, it's a private oasis. Outdoor dining and lounge nook. Under the shaded pergola, a serene outdoor dining area awaits. White armchairs, wooden accents, and a clean, tonal color palette set the tone for stylish gatherings. Concept garden and minimalist walkway. Follow the curved paver walkway through a stunning modern garden, where succulents, potted plants, and muted green hills bring texture and calm to the entire composition. This isn't just architecture, it's a masterpiece that merges innovation with nature. Like this video if it inspired your dream backyard. Subscribe for more hyperrealistic design showcases.